In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set 1-inch margins in Google Docs. If you've ever needed to format your document to meet specific requirements, you know how important it is to get the margins just right. So let's dive in and make sure your Google Docs are perfectly formatted with 1-inch margins all around. To start, open your preferred web browser. If you find yourself in Google Chrome, Safari, or Firefox, you're in the right place. In the search bar, simply type Google Docs and hit Enter. This will lead you to the main Google Docs page. Once there, look for the link, which is usually the first result, that says something along the lines of Google Docs Free Online Documents. Click on that link to proceed. Now, if you're not already logged in, you'll need to sign into your Google account. This step is important as it allows you access to your documents stored in your Google Drive. Enter your email address and password to log in. Once you're logged in, you'll see the Google Docs homepage where you can either create a new document or choose from the list of existing documents. Go ahead and open the document you want to adjust. With the document open, direct your gaze towards the top left corner of your screen and locate the File menu. Clicking on File will reveal a drop-down menu with numerous options. From this list, look for Page Setup, which should be about halfway down, and give it a click. You've now opened the Page Setup dialog box, a key tool for customizing your document. Within this dialog, you'll find a section dedicated to margins. Here, you'll input your desired measurements. If you're in the United States, this will likely be 1 inch for the top, bottom, left, and right margins. However, if your settings are in a metric system, you would input 2.54 centimeters instead. Enter these values to ensure that each margin is set to precisely 1 inch or 2.54 centimeters, depending on your preference. After you've entered these values, direct your attention to the bottom of the dialog box where you'll find the OK button. Clicking this will save your settings and apply the new margin parameters to your document. And just like that, you've successfully adjusted the margins of your Google Doc. These steps might seem small, but knowing how to navigate and control Google Docs' setup options really enhances your document's professionalism and adherence to formatting requirements. With 1-inch margins set, you're well on your way to a neatly formatted document ready for printing, submitting, or sharing digitally. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Make sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on mastering Google Docs and other online tools.